2/5 x minus 1/2 equals 5. First, I'm going to go ahead and draw my line on the equal sign to separate the left from the right. I want the x alone, quiero el x solo. And I have two things with x. Tengo dos cosas con x. I have 2/5. 2/5. This is one thing. Esta es una cosa. We're going to say it's divide since it has a little division sign here. Okay? And the other thing, la otra cosa, is going to be positive or negative. Es positivo o negativo. This is negative. Now remember, recuerda, primero, you do plus or minus. And then second, luego, you do multiply or divide. Okay, so I have divide and I have minus. Which one first? ¿Cuál primero? Minus first. First is minus. The opposite of minus, el opuesto de minus is plus. So plus 1/2, copy plus 1/2. Negative 1/2 plus 1/2 is 0, that cancels. And I'm going to copy this down. Voy a copiar esto because there's nothing here. So I'm going to copy, and I'm going to put it here. 2 divided by 5, or 2/5 x equals, and this I will put in the calculator, 5 plus 1/2, 5 más 1/2. Oops. So I'm going to put 5 plus 1/2. And I get 11/2. Now, I want x alone, quiero x solo. So what number is with x? ¿Cuál número está con x? 2/5, 2 divided by 5. This is divide. The opposite of divide is multiply. El opuesto de división es multiplicación. So I'm going to multiply here, put my line. Now, if you have a fraction with the variable, si hay una fracción con la letra, con el variable, I'm going to multiply, voy a multiplicar, and I'm going to switch the numbers. So 5 I will put up, and 2 I will put down. And I'm going to copy. Parenthesis, 5 divided by 2, parenthesis. 5/2 times 2/5. Let's see what happens in the calculator if I put it. So parenthesis 5 divide 2. Go to the right, parenthesis, and then I'll put in parenthesis just to make it easier. 2 divided by 5, and then close the parenthesis. So if I multiply these, si multiplicar estos, I get 1, so that's why it cancels. Es porque cancela. And I get x equals, and I'm going to put this in the calculator too. Let me put this in parenthesis to keep it together, para quedar juntos, okay? So I will put parenthesis 11 divided by 2. Go to the right, a la derecha, and close your parenthesis. And then open, abre, 5 divided by 2. Go to the right, va a la derecha, and close. And I get 55/4. And this is my answer.